Hello everyone. So my name is Dhirendra Kumar and let's begin our journey of learning. So this is my Power BI dashboard, and if you check here fields section, we do not have any data over here. So if we are going to create any visualization, we must have some data. So first add data. So here we'll get data. Click. So these are the so many sources from where we connect to this Power BI dashboard and can get the data. So I will be connecting to Excel workbook. So here in Excel workbook, I will be going to bike employee training bike data superstore. Let's see superstore data. Okay, so I open it. If I open here, so we do have table. So I will click on this table. Right, you can see the columns here: tip date, year date, and state, country. These are the columns: sales, quantity, profit. Right. So these are the columns. So if I click here, so either I can go to transform data or simply load the data. So if I load the data, it will appear over here. So this is table, and here if you click, you can see the total columns over here. So columns name is here. So profit is this, and quantity is this, and sale is this, quantity is this. So if I am going to, so these are the column. If you go to data here, you can see the data, right? So these are the date field. If you click here, it is showing text. So I will not go and change this for now because my object is something different. So I will go to sales, and sale is text format, so I will be changing it to decimal, fixed decimal number, right? So I will be changing it to fixed decimal number. So because it's a price. So quantity, so it's also a whole number, so I will go to whole number, right? So I have changed the format of these two columns. Remaining I'm not changing is because what I have to show you will be sufficient from these two column only. So if this is the data set, and if I go to visualization panel again, from here, if I suppose this is a, these are the visualizations what I can select. So this is the, what we say, this is the column chart, right? So column chart is here. If I go and put sales, suppose I go and put what is we are having. Okay, so what we have to do is, um, we have here category, reason, category wise. So if I go x-axis is category, and if I take sales, suppose this is total sale, right? If I go to sales, this is the sales distributed among the categories, right? Suppose this one visualization I'm taking, right? This is sales based on the category. If I go and take another visual, this column chart, and I go and now based on reason, if suppose based on reason I need to check the sales, I go here and then again sales, right? This is based on reason, this is based on category. Now I again want this based on subcategory, so I will again choose one more this column chart, and I will again, if I it is subcategory, I will go and drag and state where sales here, and go and drag the sales. This is the, so I need three visualization to present my data. So what if I will be able, if what if I can present it in a single graph? So for that, what I need to do, I need to use field new parameters, suppose, right? So I go to new parameter under modeling and go to fields. If I go to fields, if I expand it, suppose I need to take category, right? Then I need to take which field, reason, and then I need to take subcategory, right? So I created a field new parameter, right? So it is appearing in your slicer visualization. This suppose I what I will be doing, I will be x-axis, I will be using these parameters, right? And y-axis again sales. So now it is category based sales. Now if I select reason wise, it will be reason wise sales, and if I select subcategory, it will provide me subcategory wise sales. So this number of visualization I do not require. I can work with single visualization. Hope you have understood this and enjoy this. Thank you very much.